going on, guys? Welcome back to day 50 already, of my day trading journey to profitability to prove that it's possible. I guess we'll just go over um, how far I've come so far. Um, so I have, what's going on here? So I'm still on my first funded account, I'll say, even though it's my second one, just because the first one, um, I accidentally placed a trade on a full uh, micro position on NQ and then immediately liquidated me. Um, but I didn't blow the account because I didn't stick to my rules or anything like that. So I'm still kind of like going with the thing that I'm still on my first account, really. Um, you can see we're actually down a little bit from where we started at 50K. Um, we did have um, a good couple weeks here um, for a little bit. What's going on here? Yeah, I think this is the week I got it, and I had a good week. Then the next week was a good week. But then this last week, I don't know what I was doing. Um, my I was emotional trading, I was revenge trading, um, and I paid the price for that. You can see here, down $662, and we're in drawdown because of that. Thankfully, I had this trade to make up for some of these losses. But see, these green days are what happens when I stick to my strategy. I don't force trades, and I don't revenge trade, and I don't overtrade. And I mean, this is what happens when I do all those things, and I just gotta keep pushing myself to not do that, even though for some reason back of my brain wants to, even though I know that's not how it's gonna work in the long run. If I want this to actually work and continue to work, I need to stick to my strategy and need to continue to be producing the same result over and over again. But yeah, just a little quick background on how far I've come. I feel a lot better. I feel like I know what I'm doing. Um, I know how to read price action for the most part, and I'm still learning every day. And I'm a little more than 50 days into it, but 50 days on the YouTube. Um, but I'm definitely understanding how the market moves, definitely understanding price imbalances, liquidity, and seeing how it reacts and getting a better understanding of it. Still have a good ways to go. Um, I just need to trust the process. Need to remember to not think about the money. Um, just think about beating the markets and being right, and use that to motivate me. Because once you start putting money into the equation, that plays a huge role on your mental state and like really influences what trades you take and like over trading because oh you see all this money and then when you're in drawdown you get scared. But my I really need to let price go to my take profit or my stop loss and just set and forget it, I guess. As FX Alex G says. But he has a good point. You really shouldn't touch it. Um, most maybe moving um, your stop to break even. But yeah, so that's how far I've come so far. Just a little quick in-depth talk. But yeah, so let's go over price action for today. So market opened 9:30 as usual. Um, not there. We had our boy Jeremy Powell. Jeremy Powell. Where is he at? Right here. Our boy Powell. He likes to he likes to move the markets. Um, so I saw that today. He's also speaking tomorrow. He has testimony before Congress or the Senate or something. So I'm not going to be trading today or tomorrow. Maybe trade PM tomorrow. Didn't see any trades for PM today. But yeah, no trades today. I was on there watching how the price reacted to his speech though, so that was cool. But yeah, going into market open, we had these highs here, lows all the way down here. Never gonna reach those in a day, hopefully. Maybe we will, I don't know, but not we didn't today. Um, we had this high. I'm sorry, we didn't have that high yet. Put this on the wrong place. Mm, did we? No, put that on the right place. Yeah, that was a high. There's a high here and a high here. No lows. I mean, there was this low, but we already came below that. Still nothing really there. Overall bias, I don't really know. um, we we broke past this imbalance, inverse that, and we're in this fair value gap here. So I don't know. I mean, I guess technically we're actually, um, based on market structure, we are. Well, there's a high. Technically, we're bearish. We never broke structure to the upside, so technically we're bearish. And I was, and we were in way in 4 hour equilibrium, way up there in there. I did want to see price come down to this equilibrium here, and actually wanted to take longs off that. But you can see that didn't happen. Um, but yeah, that's what I wanted to see. But as we can tell, that never happens really. Well, that's not true. Didn't happen today. Then we had this high thing on ES. This high right here. Yeah. So going into market open, looking for a 5 minute liquidity sweep or hourly liquidity sweep on the 5 minute short time frame. Pretty much right away, we get a sweep. Um, Not right away actually. We get chop till 10 till our boy Jerome Heal comes on and starts speaking his wisdom. But yeah, and just consolidation before that. Um, then we get a leg up. Then we get a leg down. It just kind of this is news price action for you. Consolidation, manipulation, or whatever it is. I don't know. News price action is what it is. They started talking. Price started to go up because they were dissing Jerome Powell, and then consolidated while this lady spoke, and then Jerome started talking, and the price went down. But yeah, that's price action for today. I mean, there was nothing I wanted to take a short up here off this high. Um, there was nothing in here on the 1 minute. I'm not even going to bother going through with that. But there was nothing fair value gap wise. Um, Actually, you know what? There was. Show it. No, there wasn't. It broke through. It was reacting off of it for a little bit, but yeah, this one right here. I guess we didn't break through that. Um, There's another one I was thinking about. But yeah, that would have been a good trade. But other than the fact it was, oh yeah, I wasn't watching that. That was late in the day. It was almost 11. Um, Must have been on ES. You could have taken that trade, I guess, if you're trading that late in the day. News probably over by then. This one, yeah. I mean, we were in here for a couple good minutes. Um, strong level here, but price filled that and inversed it and drove higher. But yeah, no trades today, no trades tomorrow probably, maybe PM tomorrow. But yeah, day 50, pretty excited about that. I mean, definitely came a long way. Really feel a lot more proficient. Um, I was seeing some results the past couple weeks, but then I um, started revenge trading for some reason. I guess I don't know. I got cocky or something. Got frustrated with myself last week because of that. I don't know why I was doing that, but never going to do that again. Hopefully, gonna try to because I know when I do that, bad things happen, and I know when I stick to my strategy, good things happen. But yeah, day 50 came a decent way so far. We'll keep this thing going. I'm not stopping until I'm profitable. I'm too far into this stuff now. You know, I mean, there's been points I've thought about quitting, but it's really amazing. I mean, day trading, if you don't quit, you can never fail. I mean, I'm only uh, probably about 5 months in from the super beginning since started watching TGR's boot camp, and I've seen exponential growth since I've watched that. And I mean, I remember looking at the chart over the summer and not even knowing what a candlestick was, and just pressing buy or sell based on whatever color the candle was before, you know. And I know now that's not even close to what we are supposed to do here. So it's good to look back every once in a while and just see your improvement and see how far you've worked and see that there has been progress, even though if there's no monetary value to it just yet. You just got to remember that it's going to come. You just got to keep putting in the work and keep at it. I mean, trading every day or looking at the hopping on the chart every single day, you're going to do something. You're going to get better just by looking at the chart, and your brain will subconsciously recognize patterns and see how things react. But you can't only just look at the chart. You need to have some background information to help facilitate that and help better your understanding and really become all rounded in it. But yeah, I feel like if I get on the chart every day, see how price reacts, watch a couple YouTube videos every once in a while, um, just try to keep bettering my knowledge and bettering my understanding. I feel like I'll get there. I mean, again, I saw progress these last couple weeks, except last week, but the weeks before that, I saw progress. I saw wins. I saw 2 winning weeks here. This is incredible. I mean, think about it. This is consistency here. For 2 weeks, I was profitable. I mean, yeah, it's only 2 weeks, but you can see if I just didn't trade these 2 days, I would have been profitable for this week too. I mean, maybe I would have lost a trade in here if there was a trade to take, but if I wasn't revenge trading, there's nothing to. That's when you get yourself in trouble, and that's when you start losing money, and that's when people, I don't know, that's just when you start hurting yourself. But yeah, little rant for you guys. Um, Day 50, we'll keep this thing going. Like I said, I'm not stopping until we're done. So yeah, let's let it roll. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.